So in order to run the parts, I'll just open up the basket here. We have some figurines printed off of an SLA printer here. So I'll throw these all in at once. Close the basket. Just drop the basket in the system and press play. So as I mentioned, it's a pretty simple process compared to what's currently out there. So generally what we see in labs, there will be 2, 3, 4, or 5 different stations of IPA, PPC, or TPM. Our process, it just requires 5 to 10 minutes in the Demi 430, and then a rinse step, and then you're ready to dry and cure your parts.